as you came. In stillness deep beyond all time, source breathed once and I was mine. Ohm-La sings in sacred thread. All memories within my head. Before I wore this skin and name, I knew the light, I knew the flame. Every time the call begins, the soul says yes, the soul swings from unity to duality. I walk the path to find me free. Sol-Rey-Min, the dance begins, where light meets dark and love begins. No good or bad, no wrong or right, just balance found in inner light. Someday the veil descends through joy and pain. My journey bends, each tear, each laugh, a lesson learned. The soul must feel to be returned. Untie, the thoughts arise away above me. My journey bends, each tear, each laugh, a lesson learned. The soul must feel to be returned. Meteorate, the thoughts arise, a web of belief beneath the sky. Some truths are real, some truths are lies. I learn to see within her eyes. Kalinatar, I face the storm, I break the chains, I heal what's torn through every wound. I rise anew, my highest self walks with me too. Rema to the dream returns, the past life hums beneath the burns. I start to feel, I start to know, the flame still burns, just hidden low. When I start to wake, the veil grows thin, the path I take, no longer bound by fear or fate. I choose to open heaven's gate. Remla to the dream returns, the past life hums beneath the burns. I start to feel, I start to know, the flame still burns, just hidden low. Yeah. beside, I hold space where truth resides. Lumkai homes beneath the skin. I do not seek, I simply begin. With spiral turn, the